Hello kids, today we are going to read Phonic Primer Reader pages 6 and 7. So these two pages you will read from the book, right? So open your book and start reading with me. See, this is the book Phonic Primer Reader. So from this book you take out page number 6, and from page number 6 we are going to read first N words. What? N words. So read with me. B and ban, B and ban, K and can, K and can. You put your finger and read with ma'am. K and can. F and fan. F and fan. M and man. M and man. This is P and pan. P and pan. Can you see this pan? This is pizza pan, right? Now we have R and ran. Can you see this man is running? So R and ran. T and tan. T and tan. Children, this is not number 10, but it is T and 10. In the center there is a sound. This 10 means when you go in the sunlight your skin becomes tan. So this is T and 10. Your skin becomes tan means your skin becomes black. So it is T and 10. V and van. V and van. So this is the van picture. So these all are N words. Repeat again with me. B and ban, K and can, F and fan, M and man, P and pan, R and ran, T and tan, V and van. Then we have second line of at words. These all are at rhyming words. At rhyming words means at the end everywhere you can see at. So these are called rhyming words. At rhyming words. These were and rhyming words. Can you see at the end everywhere and? So these are called and rhyming words. And now we are going to read at rhyming words. B at bat, B at bat. See, this is the bat picture. Then K at cat, K at cat. Then there is F at fat. So this is the fat man. F at fat. H at hat, H at hat. M at mat, M at mat. So this is the mat picture. P at pat. See, this man is petting the cat. So this is P at pat. R at rat. R at rat. S at sat. S at sat. See, this girl is sitting here. So, S at sat. So, we have read N words and at rhyming words. Now, we are going to read the passage. Okay, this is page number 7. So, here first we have the sight word. This sight word is the. Read the spelling. T-H-E, the. T-H-E, the. Now, put your finger on the first line. A, ma and man, ra and ran, to, the, T-H-E, the, wa and when. So, can you see this man is running to the when. This man is running to the when. So, read again. A man ran to the when. Now the second line. A for and fan. I-S is. I-N in. T-H-E the. Wa and when. Now we will read all together. A fan is in the when. A fan is in the when. Here in the picture, can you see this fan is in the when? Now let's read the third sentence. A ma at mat. I-S is. B-Y by. T-H-E the. Wa and when. Now we will read together. A mat is by the when. A mat is by the when. So can you see there is a mat by the when? Near the when. Can you see here there is a mat? Now let's read the next sentence. A for at fat. Ka at cat. I-S is. O and on. T-H-E the. Ma at mat. A fat cat is on the mat. So here on the mat, who is sitting? Fat cat. So a fat cat is on the mat. Now let's see the next sentence. A r at rat. I-S is. O and on. A b at bat. A rat is on a bat. So can you see this bat? On the bat there is a rat. So a rat is on a bat. A rat is on a bat. Now let's read the last sentence. A her at a hat is. I-S is. O and on. T-H-E, the. R at rat. A hat is on the rat. So, can you see the hat here? A hat is on the rat. So, this rat is wearing the hat. Hat is on the rat. Right. So, children, this way you have to read this all the sentences. You have to move your finger while reading. First read phonetically and then read the full word and the full sentence. Right. So children, do the practice like this of page number 6 and 7. Bye. Take care. Thank you.